Mr. Green went to Germany because he had some work there. He came back last Monday, and his young wife met him at the airport. They walked to their car and passed a tall, pretty air hostess. Mr. Green said to her, "Goodbye, Miss Harris." And the air hostess smiled and said, "Goodbye," too. Mrs. Green stopped and looked at the air hostess. Then she said to her husband, "How did you know her name?" "That was easy," answered Mr. Green. "The names of the captain and all the crew were on a piece of paper in front of our seats." "What was the name of the captain?" Mrs. Green asked with a smile. Mr. Green laughed and answered, "I don't remember any of the other names."